Do you really need 50,000 or 1 lakh rupees to start a candle business? Absolutely no. Today I'm going to show you how you can start a candle business under 5,000 rupees. Yes, you heard me right, it's under 5,000 rupees. I will also tell you how to recover your investment with your first batch. Also, I will tell you how you can grow using a reseller model without increasing your risk. And if you are serious about starting your business from your home, watch till end. Do not skip. You can also watch my video in 1.5x if you want. So this video is basically for students who wants to earn side income, or for housewives, who want to have a business of their own, or a working professional for some extra income, and for anyone who is scared to invest big money. If even 5,000 rupees feels a big risk for you, I'll show you how to use it wisely. So first, let's understand business hota kya, what business really is, right? So business is not about buying things. Business is about buy, convert, sell, reinvest, correct? So you buy the raw material, you make the candle of it, you sell it, you make profit, and then you reinvest in the business. So if I talk about beginners buy emotionally. They want variety, they want aesthetic studio, but they forget about scaling. Okay, now I will tell you the complete breakdown of how you can buy the raw material under 5,000. So if we'll start with wax, let's say we take 5 kgs of wax, that will approximately cost you 1200. And in that 5 kg wax, if our candle weight is 100 grams, let's say, then we can easily make 50 candles out of the 5 kg wax. Now we'll talk about fragrance. So we'll take 2 types of fragrance as of now, and that will approximately cost us 800 bucks, right? Why I am taking 2 fragrances? Because fragrances are infinity, right? When your business will grow, at that point of time you can go ahead and buy multiple fragrances, but for now let's start with 2 fragrances. Let's say we have taken rose and vanilla, okay? So rose and vanilla individually are 1 fragrance. Then you can do the mixture of these. Let's say you have put 4-5 drops of rose and then 10 drops of vanilla. It will give a different fragrance. And if you do vice versa, 4-5 drops of vanilla and 10 drops of rose, then it is going to give you different fragrance. So that means basically you have 4 fragrance that you have made out of only these 2 fragrances. So blend you can do, but go for 2 fragrances only, and that will cost you 800 bucks. Now we'll take wick. Wick we can take of different sizes, maybe 20 pieces each, 3 inches perfect to start with. So it might cost you around 250 rupees, right? But always check and test your wick. Again and again I say in my every video about wick that test your wick, because I have personally faced the issue of tunneling. So tunneling is a major issue that everybody faces, and I don't want you to fall for it. Now we can go ahead with jars. I would say go for a uniform jar, go for a jar that is very trendy, like not very expensive. So at least take 25 to 30 pieces of jar. That will cost you around 1400 rupees. And choosing a uniform jar is important, because then it would be easier for you to measure the wax, to make the candle, to take out its costing. Initially do not just start with dessert candle and all, because it is quite expensive. It needs a higher investment that we will go ahead later on. Then we will be needing colors. So you can take 4 basic colors: red, green, blue, yellow, and that would cost you around 200 rupees. And then फिर हमको चाहिए एक pouring pitcher, which is very important. अगर आपको नहीं भी लेना है pouring pitcher, so you have your home, there must be any jug or anything in your home that you can use, so you can save this cost here. Otherwise the pouring pitcher would have cost you 600 to 700 bucks. In spite of getting pouring pitcher, you can invest in the heat gun. Then we'll be needing few basic packaging that you can get from anywhere. Basic, very basic, like a packaging जिसमें हमारी candle आ जाए. Not very fancy, just basic but luxury looking. I'm going to paste some links in the description that you can go ahead and watch for every raw material, right? Also for packaging, so you can go and check it out. Our total approx has come around 4950. So in beginning, you do not need fancy molds, 10-20 kind of fragrances. Even you don't have to own a website in the beginning, neither you should run paid ads. So in starting, if your jar, like it is of 200 ml jar, then we have taken 25 jars, right? So if it is 200 ml jar, make a very beautiful pastel shade in it. The only USP that you can give your customer is very good fragrance, high fragrance in the jar, right? Soy wax, premium finish look. So everything, details of the jar, the finished top of the jar using the heat gun. So this is very important and it looks very premium and luxury too. So customers basically don't worry about 10 colors. The people who love candles, they love candles for their fragrances, for the packaging. So they basically look for fragrance and good packaging. That's it. Okay, now I will give you how much your one product is going to cost you. A 200 ml jar. Okay, so let's say wax we have used in it is 200 grams. So that means 45 rupees का wax use किया हमने, right? Fragrance हमने 20 rupees का use किया. jar हमारा 55 rupees का था, उसमें wick लगी 5 rupees की, packaging हुई 15 rupees की, and we'll take miscellaneous around 10 rupees. So your total cost of the jar would come approx 150 rupees. And how much you should sell for? Many people just make 150 rupees jar, sell it for 200. No, don't do this mistake. There is no use of doing the business like that, right? So selling price should go around 299 to 349 rupees. At least you should have good margin. So never price emotionally, price for sustainability. So now, very important question, how to sell your first 25 candles. So strategy would be pre-launch announcement on your WhatsApp or on your Instagram, behind the scene reels, WhatsApp daily posting, limited stock strategy, offer small gift for first 10 orders. I'll also give you first 30 days plan how to start this business. So for week 1, just buy the materials, let them come to you, then practice. Okay, test and see that how your candle is performing, is the wax good or not. So first week should be for testing. Second week, once you have practiced, second week is for production. Third week is for content creation and promotion, and the fourth week is for selling and feedbacks. Now, if someone watching this video feels, that I don't want to invest in raw material, I don't want to handle the production. Now, there is another smarter way for that. They can buy a reseller kit from us and they can take generic branding and, generic labels. So basically, there is no risk, right? No production tension, zero manufacturing setup. Their focus will only be on selling, right? Faster start, because they are just taking a reseller kit which is ready to sell. I will also share the link of my reseller kit, and I am also going to show you here that how the reseller kit looks like, and it looks so premium that you can literally just open the box and start selling your candle. We have many different varieties of reseller kits starting from 2500 going up to 15,000 rupees also. So we can meet the expectation in the middle. The best reseller kit that we have is for 6,500 rupees, and that reseller kit you can easily sell it for 12,000 to 13,000 rupees. Okay, so once your first batch is sold, don't upgrade lifestyle. Okay, be there only because you have earned a little profit, right? You have to upgrade your business now. Whatever profit you have gained from your first batch, you can reinvest in business. Let's say add one new fragrance, labels को improve कर लो, the label that you put on the jar, improve them, थोड़ी सी packaging को upgrade करो, start to build brand identity. So 5,000 start is possible, that you have seen how, right? But growth needs consistency. You may not get 100 orders immediately, but if you stay consistent for 3 months, you'll see growth, I promise. You don't need big money to start. You need clarity, discipline, and action. Most important thing. Everybody sit there, they have the thought in their mind, they want to start their business. I know many people, I have given so many workshops through which I know so many people that they want to start, they take workshops, but then they just don't take actions towards it. So you have to be disciplined, you have to have clarity in your mind, and you have to do actions. And there are some people also whom I know who are doing very good in their business. They have taken workshop from me and they are doing good business, they are making money out of it, and I'm very proud of them too. And if you have 5,000 and a serious mindset, you can literally start today. Comment start if you're beginning this year. Comment reseller if you want more information on our reseller kit. So thank you so much for watching the video. I hope this was helpful for you, and I am always coming up with new videos again and again to keep you motivated, to keep you showing the real numbers. I'm surely going to, there are many people who are asking me to make a video on my journey, so I'm going to make that soon, right? So thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. I hope this was helpful for you. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.